Hey guys, I'm gonna quickly go through the 5.1 notes with you and then a couple examples so that you can take notes on your own notes paper as I go through this video, so you can pause it and write down everything I say and write down. So the first thing is we're going to go through 5.1, which is systems of equations. So systems of equations are two or more equations with the same variables. Meaning, right, if they have x's together, same y's, something like that. Equations with the same variables. And we're going to find the solutions for systems of equations. Today we're going to use graphing to do this. So graphically, to find the solution of a system is the point xy where the two lines intersect. Or where they cross, so where two lines cross each other. Okay, that point xy where they're crossing is the solution to the system. Eventually we'll go through algebraically, and algebraically just tells us the point xy that makes both equations true, meaning like they're going to be equal to each other. But we'll go through that another time. Okay, today's 5.1 is focusing strictly on graphing. So there are types of solutions. There are going to be three for graphing. One is intersecting lines. So an example of the picture would be two lines going. And that solution would be this point right here. You can see, right? And that's going to be some coordinate xy that when we have a graph or graph paper, you'll be able to kind of identify that point pretty well. Now we've gone over parallel lines. Parallel lines, if you can remember, never cross or intersect. Therefore, they never cross or intersect. If we have parallel lines for two equations in a system, we're going to have no solution. Or you can write a 0 with a cross through it. And then the last type would be if we have same lines, meaning I have a line here with the same slope, same y-intercept, and another line, same slope, same y-intercept. They are on top of each other. That means they're infinite solutions, so we use the infinity sign. Now, there are steps to solving systems by graphing. Okay, so we're going to go through the 3 steps. The first step is to rewrite the equations and slope intercept. Right, and we know that's y equals mx plus b. Right, b is our y-intercept. And then m is our slope. Right, this is where it crosses the y-axis, and then this is slope. Slope we know is rise or run. Top number is how much up, and then bottom number is how much over, and then it goes up and left if it's negative, up and right if it's positive. Right, we should know slope. We've done it the whole last unit. The second is just to graph the line. Okay, with systems obviously you're going to have more than one line, so you're going to graph the lines. Right, and then the third step is just identify the solutions. So where they intersect. Sorry if you can hear my dog in the background running back and forth on my hardwood. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll look at a couple problems to do together, and then I'll have you finish the rest on your own. Number